This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Open the passenger's door and pull the bonnet release handle. Pull out the safety catch and lift the bonnet. Unclip the support prop and engage it with the underside of the bonnet. The air filter housing is located on the top of the engine. Release the clip and disconnect the air duct from the air filter housing. Pull the breather hose connection from the housing. Twist the fitting slightly anti-clockwise and disconnect the air inlet duct from the housing. Remove the 2 bolts at the front edge and pull the housing upwards from its mountings. Undo the 10 screws securing the halves of the filter housing. Lift away the lower half of the housing and remove the filter element. Remove any dirt and debris from the housing, then check the foam breather filter. Clean or renew the filter as necessary. Slide the breather filter into place. Locate the new filter element into the housing. Refit the lower half of the housing and securely tighten the retaining screws. Maneuver the housing into position over the mounting pegs, then press it down firmly to engage them. Refit and securely tighten the bolts at the front edge. Insert the air outlet duct into the port, then twist it anti-clockwise to secure it. Press the breather pipe connection into the port in the housing. Reconnect the air duct and fasten the clip. Disengage the support prop and clip it into place. Firmly close the bonnet and check it's secure.